What to do if your Alexandria, Ohio air conditioner is not blowing cold air. Sometimes when this happens you can fix the problem yourself. When you cannot fix the issue with a few simple measures, it's time to call a professional air conditioning service, Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. Check the thermostat first. Check the thermostat settings and adjust if needed. Be sure the thermostat is set to cool and set to a temperature lower than the outside air. Next, check your HVAC filters. To cool your home, the system blows air across the AC's evaporator coil. Dirty HVAC filters can limit the air flow through the system, causing ice to form on the coils, and preventing the AC from doing its job. Always replace the filters when you have an AC tune-up done in the spring. Then, check the filters monthly, and replace as needed. Check the outside unit of your AC system. If your air conditioner is not blowing cold air, the problem might be foreign objects blocking airflow to your outside unit. Remove dead leaves, shrubbery, and plant overgrowth near the outside AC unit. Clean the condenser with the proper AC cleaning agent, and carefully rinse with a garden hose. Check the outside breaker or fuse block. Reset the breaker if tripped, or replace the fuses if necessary. How to prevent air conditioner problems on a hot Alexandria day. Best bet is to have your AC routinely serviced each spring. Ensure filters are replaced, coolant levels are good, and there are no other problems that will cause your AC to fail. About Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. For the best service keeping your home's heating and cooling system running smoothly. Schedule an appointment for AC repair or AC maintenance with us today. Use the convenient form on our website. Or call 740-345-6639 in Alexandria, Ohio and surrounding areas. We pride ourselves on our customer-focused service, and our online reputation shows it. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning serves Alexandria, Ohio and all of Licking County. 740-345-6639 dormarhvac.com